All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone. Then right here, what you need to do is to make sure you turn on your Bluetooth. So I'm going to simply turn on my Bluetooth, just like what you see right here. Then it's going to looking for available device. Then the next thing you need to do after you have turned on your Bluetooth, next thing you need to do is to head over to your PC. Okay, so I'm going to simply, then from my PC right here, I will simply come down below right here. I'll click on Start menu. Then I'll make sure I go to Settings. And it's going to load up like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I go to Devices. That's going to open up like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on Add Bluetooth Device. And this is going to pump up. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I select on Bluetooth. And the next thing we want to do is to head over back to our phone under the Bluetooth section. Then we make sure we look for the device. So you can see your device name is going to be appear. Click on the device name. And this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on Always Allow Access to Contact and Call History. Then click on Pair. Then click on Yes on your PC right here. Connection succeeded. So it's as simple as that. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on Close right here. And your Bluetooth has been successfully connected from your phone to your PC. So from here, you can send photo, video, or what have you from your phone into your PC. I hope you really got fun for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.